In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Canva file as PDF. By the end, you'll know exactly which buttons to click and what the options mean so you can share a clean, lightweight PDF in just a few seconds. Start with your design open in Canva. Up in the top right corner, you'll see the Share button. Click Share. Even though it sounds like you're sending your design to someone, this is actually where Canva keeps all the ways to publish or save your work, including exporting it as a PDF. From the Share menu, choose Download. This opens the Download panel, which is where you confirm the format and quality before saving the file to your computer. Think of this panel as the final checkpoint that makes sure your export looks and behaves the way you expect. In the Download panel, find the File Type option and open that dropdown. This list controls the format of your export. You might see options like PNG, JPG, and different PDF presets. For a document you plan to share digitally, like a brochure, resume, or presentation you'll email or upload, select PDF Standard. This format balances clarity with a smaller file size, which helps it load quickly and stay under common email attachment limits. If you ever need ultra-high print quality with heavier images and professional print settings, there's a separate choice called PDF Print. But for most on-screen uses, PDF Standard is the right pick. With PDF Standard selected, you're ready to save. Click Download. Canva will prepare your file, and you'll see a brief progress indicator while it compiles your pages into a single PDF. When it's done, the file is saved to your default downloads location on your device. The file name usually matches your design title in Canva, so it's easy to recognize later. A couple of quick notes to help you get the best results. PDF Standard preserves crisp text and keeps your layout intact across pages, so what you designed on screen is what your viewers will see. Hyperlinks you've added to buttons or text remain clickable in most modern PDF viewers, which is perfect for portfolios, one-pagers, and pitch decks. Because this format is optimized for screens, it's generally smaller than image-based exports, making it ideal for sharing without compressing your design later. That's all there is to it. Click Share, choose Download, set the file type to PDF Standard, and hit Download. You've exported your Canva design as a clean, easy-to-share PDF, ready for email, messaging, or uploading wherever you need it.